How do you do all? Nick Hegarty here from Hegarty Slings. I just want to do a little video demonstrating the wrap and tuck method of attaching bands to a catapult, and we'll also show you the method of attaching bands using the band clamp method, and see which one you prefer. So this is wrap and tuck. We'll do this first. See which is easiest really. I mean, there's no one method better than the other. Some people prefer wrap and tuck. They say it's more secure. Other people prefer the band clamps for ease, and you know, if you're out in the field, they say it's easier to change. I'm not timing this, I'm just doing it. That's one side done. If we do the other side. As I say, there's no one method better than the other. It's personal preference. It doesn't take long to do the wrap and tuck method. That's what I've been used to. I've only just got into the clamp method a few months ago. Just snip the ends off. There. That's that done. Wrap and tuck. We'll get onto the band clamps in a minute. Right, here we are again. Catapult with band clamps. Let's attach the bands to this and see if it's any quicker, if it's any easier. Which do you prefer? Write in the comments which you prefer. Set of bands, slacken your clamps off. Slide in behind the clamp. Just push it up to the screw. That's what I do. Nip it up finger tight. Half a turn. That's all you need. Half a turn. Next side. Up to the screw. Finger tight there. Then half a turn. Always, and I mean always, check your bands like that before drawing them back to your face. That's attached. Let me know in the comments what you prefer. Thanks very much. Bye bye now.